All right, good morning, everyone. It is August 8th of 2025, and let's talk about the market here. Let's start with SPXL. As you can see here, we are just kind of grinding higher here, and you can see that price action right here on the 160 where we rested, we ran, we rested, and now we're trying to make a decision here whether to run up here or back down. And you'll see this price action play out time and time again on the rest of these. Same thing, got a big fat 3 yesterday in TNA. Same with TQQQ. Trying to make a decision if we want to run back up here or back down there. And UDOW, same thing. Just keep in mind, the only one that's A1 right now, and you can see that right here, A1, is TQQQ. So maybe this can lead us back up to here. Just realize that we're not done going up yet. If we want to go higher, we still can. We can go up to 93.79. That would be for the year. And this would turn from a 2 to a 3. But other than that, we're green, green, and just kind of pausing at the moment for the month, and same for the week. So we'll see what happens. Overall, shorts are not working. If you're shorting the market right now and you're holding overnight, chances are you're getting gapped up on. That isn't uncommon. I had to close some of my shorts for some losses as well. They just weren't working. The only ones that really seemed to miss were the ones that people are just going nuts over, like Palantir and Robinhood. You're just getting squeezed to death. So keep that in mind when you're looking to short something. You want to actually short something that's actually no one wants it. But let's take a look at what we have here for possible moves today. We've got, uh, if you look at in the day, we've got 2 down, 3s, 1s, and the other ones here that are 2 up, we already have a position in. Uh, Archer Daniel, we've got this nice 2-2 rev set up here, earnings reported. And what I like about ADM is that we've got this nice little pivot machine gun possible right through here and through here on a quarter. It's corrected for the last 3 years, and it looks like it's setting up to possibly come back up through. Carnival Cruise Line, same thing. We've had this major correction here, a pause, and now we're starting to bounce back up over the last 2 years. But overall, if you look at this, we are still just chopping right through this range, right through here. Hopefully, we will go up higher here and we'll take out this high for the quarter of 31.52. DHI, you got this nice 222 rev for the quarter that hit magnitude right here, but we'll see if they just rest this a little bit before moving it back up to here. 168.28. DraftKings reported earnings the other day, and you can see how wild this got. This is a big old 3, and that's what it looks like on a 160. That's a big candle. So do they take it all the way back down to here, or do we just kind of rest here? Overall, DraftKings looks like it has the potential long term to get back up into this area right here. But first, we've got to get back up and take out this previous high of 47.40. Google. Google is a position that we got into yesterday. Overall, big green, beautiful hammer on the year. Uh, Quarter is gorgeous with the potential of getting back up here. So if they move Google, sooner or later, we want it to hit this 207.05. We did the 212 pause right here, and now 197.95 is the first alert that we want to be aware of. Hasbro, same thing. We got this big 3-2 for the quarter, and right now we're just pausing for the month. And look at the sideways chop here on the week. So basically, what you're looking for on the day, you're looking for a breakout and then in this range right here, something like that. That's the box. Okay, that is doing exactly what I want it to do, and that is to go sideways. Hershey is another rough strat here for the quarter. We did a 2-1-2. So are we strong enough now to reverse and come back up through this range through here? We hit the target on the week, but on the month we still have room to run. If they want to pause this like they're doing right now, here's the run, here's the rest, and now we want to see this come right back up and take out all these players right through here. Johnson & Johnson has kind of been an ugly chart lately for the quarter. Look at all this right here. But overall, if you slow it down and you look at it on the year, we've got a 3 for the year and a possible run back up to previous high. Here's the run, here's the rest, here's the run, the rest, and there's the run. So let's see if they can continue to move Johnson & Johnson. Meta, all-time highs for the year, for the quarter. And now we're just trying to chop sideways through here before possibly going up even higher. A lot of good solid names out there putting in new highs day in and day out. Be aware of that. Rubric, this is a fairly new IPO from the last 2 years. If you look at it though, and you see the month right through here, you can see how we've had this run, the rest, the run, here's the rest, and hopefully now we're going to run back up to previous high. Beautiful, beautiful consolidation through here. Rigetti, quantum play, very speculative. Right now for the quarter, we have it in force at 1535. If you're holding this through earnings, good luck. I'm not looking to do that. I am just looking for a possible 2-2 rev right back up to here or to here. Just a quick trade in Rigetti. Schmuckers looks good where we have a 2-1 possible 2 coming up through the month. And if we're strong enough, hopefully we'll start to take some of these guys out right through here. We did fill the gap right there, so we'll see what happens with Schmuckers. SoFi, same thing. People really like the earnings, and now we're just chopping sideways through here. SoFi has the potential to get back up to here long term. And so they're just working off some of these conditions. We now have a fresh A1, and hopefully we will get back up through here. And last but not least is Urban. Urban is at all-time highs. And every time they try to take it lower, they just move it right back up. And that's all I'm looking for it to do is wait for the TTO, go, TTO, and then go. And there are a lot of names out there, guys, doing that. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like, please join the Discord server. Until we meet again, take care and God bless.